What is going on, everyone? Anthony Drew Gary here, host of the How To Show, where we talk about optimizing life, money, and happiness, one how-to at a time on most days. But this week, we're not going to do any educational content because, frankly, I need to do a video of gratitude. And I need to do that because the title of this video is How to Total an SUV. And the short story is to hit a deer on Highway 31 coming home from visiting your parents-in-law, but the long version of the story is to hit two deer at high speed and turn yourself into a ditch on the far right side of the road, killing both of the deer on impact while traveling with yourself, your wife, your daughter, and your dog. This past weekend was a trip and a half for the Gary household, and I shared in the thumbnail video the overall impact of the car. I'm not going to share any of the gruesome details just to keep my family's privacy intact for that, but yeah, we hit two deer head on, came darting across the road in the dark. There was no avoiding it. It was not fun, but I can tell you that everyone is safe. Everybody is fine. Everybody, with the exception of me having a couple bruises, has no scars or injuries to them, and so we all come out of it alive, and for that, just need to make a video of gratitude about it, really. And so, again, I'm not going to share the videos of the car or anything like that, but I will share with you the firefighter that was on scene was nice enough to use some tools at his disposal, and so here is 4 points. And here was 4 more points, but some of that got blown off an impact there. So, got myself an 8-point buck over the weekend. Though I don't hunt often, I don't hunt ever, let's be honest. I got an 8-point buck, and I also got myself a doe instantaneously, and in the process, I managed to total an SUV. And so, how to total an SUV is by hitting a deer. But I recommend that you try everything in your power to not do it. So really, the entire process in driving home the following day and just thinking about what had happened over the past couple of days has got me in this feeling of gratitude over, having a video about it at all, because quite frankly, what is optimizing life, money, and happiness if you can't share it with the ones that you love, or if you're not around to enjoy it yourself? And so I just wanted to do a quick video basically thanking the YouTube world and anybody who's listening for even being willing to consume any of my videos that talk about optimizing life, money, and happiness, such that I can continue to do them because we are okay, because nobody was seriously hurt in that accident. I just needed to make a quick video of gratitude about it. And so take with that what you want. I will be back next week with educational content. I've already got it in the works. And so hopefully that'll be something that'll be worth hitting the like button. But I just wanted to echo the thoughts that I know that my wife has shared on social media and that I've been a little more private on, that yeah, we did get in a car accident over the weekend. We are okay. Life goes on. The car is replaceable. We are not. Thankfully, we don't need to be replaced. That's going to bring this episode of the show to a close. This is Anthony Drew Gary, host of the How To Show, signing off. Alright, so this video isn't quite over. I would be remiss if I didn't give a shout out to the 2 cars that stopped after we hit the deer to make sure that we were okay. One of those individuals called 911 for us. I have no idea what their names are and likely never will, but I'm incredibly grateful for them. Also grateful for the folks at the Marshall County Sheriff's Department, as well as the Marshall County Fire Department, who came and checked us out and made sure we were all in good shape, as well as the EMT that checked us out to make sure of the same. And so there are a lot of good people in the world, and I am thankful that after something really traumatic happened to us, we were able to encounter a handful of them on a Saturday evening under circumstances that were really tough on us, but they made it go as smoothly as possible. And so thank you to all of those people who will probably never see this video, but that's okay.